Hello, my friends. Welcome to all new English learners. I'm so happy you're here today. I have something very special to share with you. This is not just a story. It is a real experience, something that happened in my life. It changed everything for me. And maybe it can change your life too. So sit back and relax, and let's begin this journey together.
Hello everyone, my name is Jack. I was not always confident. I was not always happy. In fact, for most of my life, I felt lost. I felt confused. I felt like my life had no meaning. I woke up each day and did the same things. I went to work. I came home. I ate dinner. I went to bed. Then I repeated it all over again. My life felt like a loop. And I kept asking myself the same question. Is this all there is? I used to watch people living their dreams, starting businesses, traveling the world, speaking English with confidence. I admired them. I wished I could be like them. But I told myself I couldn't. I said I was too old, too tired, too late. I believed I had missed my chance. But deep down, I wanted more. I wanted something different. I wanted to change. One day, something happened. It was a simple moment, but it changed me. I was walking home. I saw a little boy sitting on a bench. He was reading a book. The book was in English. He looked focused, like he was learning something new. I stopped for a second and thought, if he can do it, why can't I? That question stayed with me, and from that day, I decided to change my life. The first thing I did was decide to believe. I had to believe that change was possible. I had to believe that I could become better, even if I failed in the past, even if I didn't know how, even if people laughed. I had to believe. That belief became my first step. I started small. I didn't make a big plan. I didn't wait for the perfect time. I just started. I woke up a little earlier. I read one English word a day. I drank more water. I walked for 10 minutes. These small actions looked like nothing, but together, they became the foundation of my new life. I also began learning. I read books. I watched videos. I listened to people who had changed their lives. I didn't understand everything. My English was not good. But I didn't stop. Every day, I learned a little more. And every day, I grew a little stronger. Some people around me didn't understand. They said I was wasting my time. They said I was dreaming too much. But I didn't listen. I kept going. Because I knew I wanted more. I wanted a better life. A different life. A life I could be proud of. I started writing down my goals. At first, they were small. Learn 10 new words. Save a little money. Eat healthy food. Practice speaking. I checked them off one by one. It felt good. It gave me hope. So I wrote bigger goals. Start a small business. Teach others. Travel. Make a difference. And I started working toward them. I failed many times. I made mistakes. I got tired. I wanted to quit. But every time I fell, I reminded myself why I started. I remembered the boy on the bench. I remembered my own pain. And I stood up again. One of the hardest things to do was forgive myself. I had to stop blaming myself for the past. I had to stop thinking about what I didn't do. I had to let go of the guilt. I had to tell myself, it's okay. You are trying. You are changing. That gave me peace. I learned to be alone. Not lonely, just alone. I learned to enjoy quiet moments. I used that time to read, to think, to plan. I didn't need the noise. I didn't need the approval of others. I just needed my own focus, my own peace. I also learned to be patient. Change does not happen overnight. It takes days, months, sometimes years. But it's worth it. Every small step matters. Every good habit counts. Every kind word you say to yourself makes a difference. I became more confident. I started speaking more. I practiced English every day. I made mistakes, yes. But I kept speaking. I started writing more. I wrote about my journey, my thoughts, my dreams. It helped me understand myself. And slowly I started sharing my story with others. People started to notice. They saw a new Jack, someone who believed in himself, someone who was growing. Some people were surprised. Some were inspired. Some asked me how I did it. And I told them what I'm telling you now. Start small. Keep going. Don't stop. I changed the way I saw the world. I stopped blaming others. I stopped waiting for help. I took responsibility. I told myself, this is your life. If you want it to change, you have to change it. That simple truth gave me power. I changed how I spent my time. I stopped wasting hours on social media. I stopped watching shows that made me feel empty. I used that time to learn, to grow, to build. I chose activities that helped me become the person I wanted to be. I also changed how I spoke to myself. I used to say, I'm not smart enough. I can't do this. I'm too weak. But I replaced those words with, I'm learning. I'm growing. I can do this. The words we speak become our reality. I surrounded myself with better influences. I followed people who were doing good things. I listened to stories of success, of hope, of change. I stopped listening to voices that made me feel small, and I became my own biggest supporter. I began to dream bigger. I asked myself, what do I really want in life? Not what others want, not what society wants, but what I want. And I made a plan, a simple plan, with small steps, and I followed it every day. Slowly, my life changed. My mind changed. My heart changed. I started doing things I once thought were impossible. I started helping others, teaching English, telling my story. I started seeing the beauty in life again. If you are listening to me now, I want you to know something important. You can change your life too. It doesn't matter where you are from. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter how many times you failed. What matters is that you believe in yourself and that you begin. Don't wait for the perfect day. Don't wait for someone to save you. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start now, today, with what you have. where you are. Start by saying one kind word to yourself. Start by reading one sentence, walking one block, drinking one glass of water, smiling one more time. Every little action is a step forward. Your journey will not be easy. You will face challenges. You will feel tired. People will doubt you. But don't give up. Keep going. Keep believing. Keep growing. One day, you will look back and say, I did it. You are stronger than you think, braver than you believe, and more capable than you know. Your past does not define you. Your fears do not control you. You have the power to choose a new path. And when you do, everything changes. Your thoughts, your habits, your friends, your dreams, your life. All of it will begin to shift. Slowly, yes, but surely. This is your time. This is your life. And you deserve to live it fully. Don't let fear stop you. Don't let doubt hold you back. Take the first step, then another, and another. And never stop walking toward the life you deserve. Change starts with one decision, one choice, one belief. You've already taken the first step by listening to this. Now take the next one. Do something small today that your future self will thank you for. I believe in you. And I hope you believe in yourself too. Because the truth is simple. You can change your life. And that change begins now.